Alright guys, I'm right here with a subscriber. He's been watching the videos and he broke down. ¿Qué onda, güey?
¿Qué onda? Tranza. Ahí con el compa Philly.
¿Qué andamos? Puros pichis yonkes, ¿no? Dale, güey, súbete.
Dale, güey.
Right here in the middle of the street. Pretty chill day. Dale. La derecha. My fear when towing is like fucking like say right here. Like say right here, fucking like some car fucking just, I don't know, hitting me and shit. I try to be careful though. But yeah, it can get dangerous, you know, especially like at night. Them airbags though. I'm out here with my homie Derek.
What up?
The D. We're heading to Sears right now. We're gonna pick up some materials. We're gonna work on Derek's roof on his 350Z. His roof is pretty beat up.
Okay, the story behind that. Someone ran on that shit before I bought it.
How the fuck did somebody ran on this? Oh shit, on top?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. That's why it's all fucked up?
Yeah. Well, that's the story. I don't fucking know.
Shit. So his roof is all fucked up, like all dented. So, and they tried to fix it, huh? But they left it. They didn't even like finish it. So we're gonna attempt to fix it. We're gonna pick up some sandpaper and some Bondo.
Attempt.
Yeah. So I mean, I don't know. It might work, it might not work, but just stick around and find out, you know?
If it works, hit us up. 20 bucks, hot boy roof.
Hey, I was talking to my homie Derek, and a lot of you guys like need paint jobs. He was telling me that he's down to help me, you know? Like, I don't want to do it. I don't like painting because it's a lot of work. But the homie D right here fucking said he's down to fucking help me. So I might be down. Hit me up in the DMs if you're serious. I might paint your car. Fuck it.
Hot boy colors only.
Hot boy colors only. You heard the man. All right, we're here at we're actually at the mall. We're not even at fucking paint supply stores. So we're gonna go to
hot boys get their paint supplies.
We're here at Sears because we don't got any cash, so we gotta use that credit card, you know?
Yeah.
You're using your mom's credit card, huh?
Why you say that on camera?
Oh
bro?
Shit, my bad. Let me delete that shit. Let me just park right here. My bad, fool.
Mom, if you're watching this, it's for the cause.
It's daddy's card. Alright, let's go.
$1,000, not $800.
Huh?
Inflation, bro. $1,000.
For what?
For a paint job.
For a paint job? Oh, fuck. Why so much, fool?
Oh, it's fucking quality, man.
Where's the sandpaper?
Over here. Oh, it's right here.
You found it?
Yeah, it's right here.
I need one of these, bro. If I want to polish my car, cut and buff it, I'm gonna need one of these. Probably get some. Should I get it right now? Fuck it.
I don't think they have it.
This is not sandpaper, dog.
That's not sandpaper?
No, but you actually need like kind of like this one. It's because this is for like machine, you know, and we have the DA. Probably not. We're gonna have to go to like a paint supply store.
None of this stuff will work?
Yeah, no, none of this shit's gonna work, bro. Not because it has the holes right here. This is like a different, like, you need a machine like this one. This is for wood though. Fuck it, dog, take two.
Because we really just need the medium one, right?
Yeah.
So now we have two medium ones.
Yeah, fuck it. Throat. Do they have Bondo here though?
Oh shit.
I don't think they have Bondo here.
Maybe it'll be over here.
Alright, Briskies, we got our materials. We didn't find any Bondo though.
Got some MIG pliers though. On sale.
What's that for?
Clean the nozzle of the MIG gun.
Oh shit. Yeah. for now we're just gonna sand it down, try to even it out, and then because it has bondo already, but it needs to be evened out. So we're just gonna sand it down like that, and then if we need bondo, then we'll go to a paint shop and get some. I don't know, man. Now you're good. Go for it, go for it. To the right. Go to the right. Right there. Guys, check out that roof. You see this shit? Feels like, I mean, I've never been to the moon, but I suppose I suppose this is what it feels like. Fucking fool. So right here, what we're gonna do next is just buy some bondo, fool, and then we'll throw a layer and try to even it out, because the person that threw the bondo did not do it right. They just threw it in some random spots, fool.
That was me.
That was you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta go like all the way, fool, evenly. I'll show you, bro. I'm not that good, bro, but I mean, I know the steps, you know.
To be continued.
To be continued, bro. You going to school right now? Shit. Alright. Alright, guys. So the homie D already left. He had to go to school. I'm right here down. I'm down here under my trailer. Check it out. So my trailer broke. You see? It broke from like this X brace, so I gotta weld it. I have to weld it right here somehow. Alright, guys, I just welded it. My welds are getting better. Alright, I'm gonna add this support and I'll put it on top of that so it'll give it more support, you know. Check out the airbags though. Alright, let's get it. Not the best welds, but I got the job done. This is probably gonna break again pretty soon. Fuck it. Alright, I'm gonna go head out. I'm gonna go pick up a guy right now. Thank you guys for watching again. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Peace out, guys.